friends, Andrea here with a new video for Hip Kit Club. Today is Cut File Tuesday, and I believe the hardest challenge that you can ask me to complete. It is No Pink Week. So I am working with one of the Hip Kit Club exclusive cut files from the month of April. And I'm gonna back it with two different pattern papers. These are both from the Buenos Dias collection by Obed Marshall. And I'm doing it in a very simple way. I'm just adding the full piece of paper to back the entire word. I'm using the same pattern paper for the top words and a different one for the bottom word. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess. For the third word, the bottom word, I am doing the exact same thing. It's just a bigger piece. I know that my main background is going to be this white cardstock. We are going to add a tiny bit of mixed media. This light floral pattern paper will be at the very bottom, and this Wonders pattern paper is the one I'm going to use to create a border around my piece of cardstock. Adding some adhesive foam squares all around the cut file, since there will be some mixed media right under the cut file. I needed to add some extra adhesive to make sure that my cut file will stay in place. Okay, I'm bringing all of the embellishments back to the table. And here you can see there is some crazy, very not straight machine stitching details around the edges of the cardstock. And it's the mixed media, as I said, it's going to be very, very simple. It's just I'm using the yellow shimmer sprays that we got in the month of April, I believe. And it's going to be only under the cut file, under the blue section of the cut file, and then also a few details on the top as well. So you're not gonna see much of that, just a tiny bit. So I'm now adding some double-sided tape on this piece. That's gonna be at the top right, and it is the same pattern paper that I used to back the bottom word of my cut file. So you can see that design going all the way from the top to the bottom. This is one of those layouts that I did not plan. I did not have a clear picture in my mind. I think the fact that from the very beginning I knew that I could not, or that I needed to try and avoid pink, blocked me. I wasn't sure in which direction I wanted to go. All I knew is that I wanted to use that particular cut file and that I wanted to use that photo. So the rest just happened on the way. I just figured try to find the embellishments that had no pink and try to build the layout based on that. Starting adding some details, again, no pink. Yeah, so on the bright side, I do love working or adding yellow to my background. So I try to, you told me no pink, so I'm gonna go all in on the yellow, and I do love that. I love how bright the layout looks, even though it has lots of blue. We'll add a few more embellishments on the right side, but I wanted to make sure. I could not stand looking at that much white, so I wanted to see how it would look once I had my journaling there. And then once the journaling was on the page, I was fine with the white space. I knew that I had a lot of elements and lots of color and embellishments along with the photo already happening on the right side, coming from the very top all the way to the right and the bottom. So I decided to keep it like that and just add a few stickers. We're gonna go with some puffy stickers right above the journaling, and the other stickers will be on the top border. Adding the date now. I was still missing something. still missing. My story was already there, my photo was already there, the cut file, the no pink. Again, no pink. But I was still missing. I think I end up finding a few more embellishments to finish that side of the page. I found one of the clear stickers, but I wanted the white background and use it as a die cut, so I adhered that to a piece of white cardstock and then fussy cut it. We are almost done. I think I'm gonna end up going for one more clear sticker. I'll stick it to a white piece of cardstock and do the same thing. I'll fussy cut it. That will be the very last detail on the top of my page. And that is my layout for today. You can see now we definitely succeeded at not adding that is purple and orange up there, and the rest we went with blues, greens, and yellow. Used our cut file. They are definitely the fun squad. The 4 of them together are a lot to handle, but I love them to death. This is it for me today. I had a wonderful time working on this layout, or just figuring out or just actually watching what was just happen in front of me, and remember those memories and those fun times that we've spent together this year. Make sure that you check the Hip Kid Club blog and Facebook group for more inspiration. Hopefully by now some of your kits will start shipping and arriving pretty soon. This was Andrea for Hip Kid Club. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.